Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And as I talked about in that video, I'm going to echo again right now. Overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. I get it. That can sound very bizarre to say this chart is perfectly fine, but that's what makes this chart kind of tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint, because I get it. If you're looking at things from the perspective of a day trader, or flipper, or scalper, and you bought there, you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell, within, an hour, well then yeah, from that point of view, it definitely sounds crazy for me to say everything's perfectly fine. But if you care about things from the bigger picture point of view, then yeah, I get it. From those highs, there's still been a pullback, even though today the price actually, got a nice little bounce right here. So from that point of view, though, the price is still much lower than where it was. But as I illustrated in yesterday's video and want to just continue to kind of reiterate here, looking at things from the big picture perspective, and this is what I would consider the big picture perspective. So namely, kind of where these lows have been. So, well, that was right here when things woke up, and then had some lows right there, and some lows there, and lows there, and then lows there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, then big picture-wise, yeah, the stair steps are very, very clearly still progressing in the upwards direction. So yes, again, I get it. This could all sound crazy if you're a day trader or a scalper that you bought right there and wanted to sell, 7 minutes later. But overall, and looking at things from more than just 1 day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, the trend is still bullish, and that's what matters. So good to see again that today the price was starting to work its way back upwards. Clearly still a lot of work to be done before it can get up there and start to do battle with 55 cents. But overall, everything is still fine. This is what I would consider a healthy consolidation at this point. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, that is the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.